All right, y'all, so we here at Arlington Vineyard. Got the fam here, and we getting situated. We trying to figure out whether they're gonna be playing jazz music here or what. The way this place is, you could bring your own food. You could buy some of their wine that they've made. You see their vineyards out there. You just enjoy the music, enjoy being outside, and a pretty good environment. They're gonna have either jazz or bluegrass here, and then they have another stage somewhere else on their land. And they're gonna be playing music there too. So girls is having a good time. So we're gonna do some walking around, get some footage for y'all. Yeah, so we're up here at the top of the hill, and they have a bunch of different places you can eat. They got, looks like a type of little trailer thing there. You got another little place here. Got whatever this is here, and something up there. So looking pretty cool. And then this is the view where we're at, and we're gonna go up even higher.
So we're at the wine loft at Arlington Vineyards, and this is their menu here. It's currently closed. That does look like rosemary. You have to smell it to verify. But it's currently closed because all they sell out of this property at this particular one, because there's like so many on this piece of land they have, but this is all they sell right here at this particular spot. But there's other spots on the land where you can actually dine in and buy wine also. There's also an ice cream shop over there, a little hors d'oeuvre shop, and live music. It's just really pretty out here. The layout, the design, the landscape, they really did a very beautiful job. Hours. Hi. Pretty good. Yes.
Here we have like bottle pills. A bottle that you want from here, take it up and you pay for it, and they're okay for you.
Okay.
We have the frozen wine, the rose, and the peach, and then we have the whites. The whites is where you can take like every day that you want to take. They're pre-selected for you, so you can white. That one's underneath is what you can get 2-ounce pours of each.
Okay.
So you kind of taste the wine before you buy the bottle.
Awesome. All right.
And seating is open.
It's open seating? Okay, beautiful. Thank you so much.
Hi.
They have merch. They have candles. A shirt. A souvenir. Blanket. They actually have blankets too, because I imagine like during the fall when people visit, you want to sit outside and, you know, make it cozy by the fire pit on the hill or at a picnic table. But this is very nice.
they have a fire pit there. Up here close to the top of the hill. Little restaurant there. And the stage down there. And you know, you can see some people, you know, they want to get away from it all, so they're setting their little picnic thing up there. And this hill actually goes up even higher. We're going to head up there, see what else we can see, what else this land has on it. Okay, so what we're doing now, we're leaving the little jazz area right here, and we're going to the other side of their land to the bluegrass area, country type music. And what's so awesome about it is you walk through this little forest area here that we're walking through to get over there. Very nice little forest area. And once we get through there, we'll be come out in their little barn area where they're playing countryer music. So we're going to head on over there. See Sequoia back there. And
adjacent to the property on the land. And it is so peaceful back here. And it's just the perfect day, the perfect weather. Just to take a stroll and discover what they have on the land. It's very pretty out here, especially if you like outdoors, nature, the sound of birds singing, chirping.
All right, so this is the little nature trail, and if you go that way, you go to the mountainous part of the vineyard where they have the jazz band that's getting ready to play. And if we go this way, it goes towards, they have a barn area. It's almost like a farm type theme, and they have a bluegrass band that I think is getting ready to play there. So it's real nice.
Just absolutely beautiful nature trail.
All right, so we've made our little hike through the forest, and now we here. And over here, they're playing some super country music with sugar on top.
More awesomeness, music, beautiful atmosphere, another little food area here, just beautiful, beautiful property. And I have to give a shout out to my husband who found this place. It's it blew me away. He knows what I like. So hallelujah.